so today we're gonna go for a ride in the 55. I I haven't ran this, like I pulled it forward about 2 inches the other day, so like I know that it goes into gear. I don't know how it shifts into first and second and third, and I don't even know if there's a third gear. I really haven't even researched the transmission, which is terrible. I should know this, but we're gonna find out what it does today. I really hope that all goes smoothly because like my whole week has depended on this moment. So let's try to pour out of the garage. I gotta really hope that it doesn't overheat. I gotta hope that everything works right. I gotta hope that the brakes work. I gotta hope that the steering works. I'll find all this out in a minute. So let's get to it. First, I gotta pump up the tires a little bit, and I won't bore you with that. But let's. All right, let's see how that engine hasn't been ran in God knows how long. I mean, it's been ran, but not like for that long. Something's boiling over on, a little bit of steam going on here. Just be some stuff burning off of that. Some oil. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just oil burning off that a little bit on the top. All in all, that was a good first ride. I'm pretty stoked. I feel like I could have gone a lot further. I just didn't want to push my luck on the first ride. So there we go. She lives. And I'm super stoked about it. Here we go, dude. I'm super stoked. It ran and drove totally fine. It was a little slow getting into second gear. It was kind of like, it didn't struggle, but it was like a little late, I guess. I mean, this thing probably hasn't ran on the street or been opened up in a while. At first, I thought maybe it didn't have second, and I got scared. And then I picked up a little speed, and it kicked into second. So, you know, it goes. It runs and drives. I'm stoked. And that was the first run of, you know, of many. It was a little one. I only went around my neighborhood about, you know, 5 times. I just kept doing the same route. I didn't want to go further than like a 6-block radius in case it broke down. I really don't want to push this big bastard 6 blocks. I mean, it's heavy. It's hard to even push in and out of my garage. So it made it. It's back. And yeah, I'm super stoked. I mean, I couldn't be happier. She runs and drives and stops, and I'm happy. I just have to get some body work done now. But thanks for joining me. I know it's not the greatest thing that's ever happened, but to me, it's a huge deal. That's a huge milestone to know that it's capable of that. That's all that matters to me. So now I can scratch that off the list. I can scratch so many things off the list, and, you know, move on and get to the next problem. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me. And you guys saw it firsthand. That's the first ride in the 55, and that's history in the making, I guess you could say, because it's my first run in it. So it's exciting to capture, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.